this video clip, we want to find out the exact value of the logarithm. We want to find out log base 8 equals 1, log base 8 to the 1 equals what? Okay. Again, the answer is exponent of this base. Okay. Again, we do not like the question mark. We like x. So we think we know everything, huh? And then we will have what? 8 to the exponent x is 1. And we know that any number to the 0 is 1, so this tells us x is 0. Okay? So here, then we can choose the correct answer. 0 is the answer. So this basically tells us what? Log, here the base is 8. How about base 9? It works in the same way. So any number, any base to the 1, you got 0. This is what we want to learn in question 16. Okay? Question 17. Let's see. Question 17, we again want to find out the exact value. We are given log base 1/3 to the 81. Again, we need to make x right here to help us to think. Okay, again, exponent. If there is no answer here, make one, x, which is the exponent. Okay, exponent of this 1/3 is 81. 81 we know, which is 3 to the 4th. Okay, and we know that's 3 to the negative 4. That will be what? Here is 3. 3 is what? 3 is 3 over 1. Recall that previously I said in my lecture, if you want to eliminate this -1, you simply flip the inside quantity, and then this is going to disappear. Okay, but still you have a -4 as your exponent. Here is -4. Here is -4. Now look, 1/3 to the x equals 1/3 to the -4. X has to be -4. That's the exact value. So you may choose one right here. Okay, that's our question 17. And we do more. 18. Now, question 18 is we want exact value. Here is log base 10 to the 10. You can punch your calculator to get that. That's easier. But without using your calculator, the technique here you want to do is you do not have the answer. You make one, x. And then one more time, exponent. exponent of this base. So that's 10 to the x equals this 10 right here. There is a 1 on the shoulder. It tells us x is 1. So log base 10 to the 10 is 1. How about log base 11 to the 11? Same way works. So log base a to the a is 1 all the time. Okay, this is what we want to know. That's the 18. How about 19? 19 looks complicated. Yeah, we wanted to find out exact value. E to the log base e squared to the 64. Again, here anytime you get confused, you want to consider the basic one. 2 cubed is 8. The corresponding one is log base 2 to the 8 equals 3. Again, the logarithm is the exponent. Okay, you want to all the time remember. Now, we want to replace this 3 by this 3. Then what do you mean by that? You see, 2 cubed 3 is this 3, but 3 equals log base 2 to the 8th. So you may write what? Log base 2 to the 8th, and here is 3. Again, they are equal, right? Yeah. Here is 3, one more time, which is 8. This tells us what? There is a property. If here is a, and here log base is also a to the 8, and basically it crashes down just 8. That's one of the property. But unfortunately here we have a squared. So what are we going to do? We do in this way. So first we do is base change formula. So we do is like log. We change the base to log. You may just do natural log. Base change formula is you may do log e to the 64 over log e to the e squared. Okay, so here this base e can be 10, can be 3, those two numbers, can be whatever you want it. Okay, now then you look. Here this exponent can move down to the front. So you will have a log base e to the 64. Here is 2, then log base e to the e. And then what do we get? Again, log base e to the e is 1. Previously we said what? Log base a to the a is 1, right? In previous exercise. So this will give us what? E to the log base e to the 64 over 2. If you rewrite that, that will be e to the 1/2 log base e to the 64. And then this exponent, this 1/2 comes to be exponent So that will be log base e to the 64 to the 1/2. Now this number base is the same with the base of exponential expression. It crashes down to the 64 to the 1/2. That's the radical 64. You will get 8. Let me write nice 64 here. So here 64, and that's 8. Then you may choose the answer right here. There are 4 choices. Alright, let's see the last question in this video clip. Here we have log A. Log 2 is A. Let me put the question number here, 20. We are given natural log. A is natural log 2, and B is natural log 5. Okay, we want to use either A or B to express natural log 32. We know natural log 32 is 2 to the 5th power, and the 5 can move down to the front. So you should have a 5 times natural log 2. And what is this number? This one is denoted by what? By A. So you may write 5A. Which one is 5A here? You can make your own choice. Why this is important? Of course, it gets you familiar with the formula, but when I was a student is that we only given this number, and we are not given this number. So, but we want to use this number. At that time, there is no good calculator for natural log 2. So this number is in the table, natural log 2. Then we want to use natural log 2 to find out natural log 32. That's basically 5 times this number, natural log 2. All right? Okay. I'll see you next time.